name is Wesley, owner and operator of Gorgeous Headlights Restoration LLC. Today I'm going to be performing a headlight restoration on this 2014 Nissan Altima, and just wanted to show you the condition of the headlights before I begin my headlight restoration 6-step process. There you have it, before. I'm back. I just finished my headlight restoration and this is the after result. Looks almost brand new actually. Pretty nice. I think my client's gonna be happy. I'm gonna go inside and grab them. Thanks for watching.